Hello everyone, welcome to GigaBits. Today, we're comparing two of the most popular note-taking apps for iPad in 2025, Notability and GoodNotes 6, and I'll share exactly why I switched from one to the other. Starting with Notability, it remains a smooth, fast, and intuitive app that excels at audio-synced note-taking. It's great for students who record lectures or professionals who want their handwritten notes tied to voice recordings. However, in 2025, many of its most useful features like handwriting recognition and certain themes are still locked behind a subscription model. While functional, it feels somewhat limited in customization and organization compared to its main rival. GoodNotes 6, on the other hand, has evolved dramatically. It now includes AI handwriting search, automatic smart summaries, and a much more advanced file organization system. It's responsive, works seamlessly with the Apple Pencil, and gives users more flexibility with layouts, colors, and templates. Plus, it's available as a one-time purchase, which makes it more affordable in the long run. So, why did I switch? Because GoodNotes 6 simply feels more complete. It's faster, more intelligent, and better suited for